you fall, you gonna get right back up. You gotta treat the rap like that.
Yeah.
Down for me to go.
Yo, record this shit, bro.
It's down for me, I know.
This shit
Down
is
for
so hard. Oh my god.
Can you record that?
to go.
This is smash. Come on.
He said this is smash. I said this is pass.
No.
Call on cab real fast. I ain't sitting the tabs. I ain't spinning the tab. Better get in the cab. Take a LSD. I'm sipping the tab. Tell her I'm sexy. She feeling my ass. Feeling the swag. She hitting the. I'm hitting the bag and I be yeah. I'm hitting the bag and I be yeah. I be chilling now. Feelings now. Rest in me for gold.
Bruh. Yeah. Come on. Hey, can we pull this up?
The rest of me some gold.
Shit sounds like a smash.
Did you drop him off that side? Yeah, I'm saying.
Over the dash, now I'm over the dash. Calling the cash. She get on my nerves, so I'm calling it fast. Calling it kiss, holding it ass. Holding it ass, no loose boy that. Spoil little ass.
The white one.
I know ain't it trash, I don't really. Rest of me for expecting me to go.
Light is in the air, man. That shit.
We got 45 bitches just living it up. Been too damn long without a sip of my cup. Saying one's too many, 100 isn't enough. Alright. Don't worry about 12, no they ain't showing up. Rocky came with the shots, Stuck came with the blunts. Saying one's too many, 100 isn't enough. Alright, yeah. Now you see we going dumb, dumb, dumb. Now you see we going dumb, dumb, dumb. Yeah, one's too many, 100 isn't enough. Yeah, 100 just isn't enough.
Alright, with your girl, okay. What you want on the lay? Got ice on the way. Put stones in your face. Calamari, Ocean Lake, split me 4 ways. By Pavilion, Sandra Pay. Yeah, alright. Why is it so hard for you to cry when you're rich? I put the sideline in front cause I can't argue about shit. I told God protect my life cause I'm gonna come in that shit. You know why? You know why? She won't fasten up her seatbelt when we ride. Bought the girl a 2-story penthouse in the Big Apple like a pie. She was trying to tell me that with all her words, but they were lies. But I let her get away with it, cause sometimes she wanna die. Yeah.
We got 45 bitches just living it up. Been too damn long without a sip of my cup. Saying one's too many, 100 isn't enough. Alright, alright, alright. Don't worry about 12, no they ain't showing up. Rocky came with the shots, Stuck came with the blunts. Saying one's too many, 100 isn't enough. Alright, yeah. Now you see we going dumb, dumb, dumb. Now you see we going dumb, dumb, dumb. Yeah, one's too many, 100 isn't enough. Yeah, 100 just isn't enough.
I'm on my own. Get high with me with levitate. Get high with me for Friday. Oh, smile, let me spot the way. I'm so lit, it could start the campfire. Shorty, where your man? Let me stand by it. Well, Mr. Esquire, seen a fresh attire. Do a spin out in my fresh tire. Red stones, I'm a vampire, it might petrify it. Whole city going down, down, down. Whole city going down, down, down. New semi going down, down, down. For Fizzy on a pump, pump, pump.
We got 45 bitches just living it up. Been too damn long without a sip of my cup. Saying one's too many, 100 isn't enough. Alright, alright, alright. Don't worry about 12, no they ain't showing up. Rocky came with the shots, Stuck came with.
Why does he play more romantic songs on stream nowadays?
Alright, yeah.
Romantic songs. People romantic songs. If this romantic to you, then I don't know what to tell you, man. It's gonna answer a lot of questions.
Yeah, 100 just isn't enough.
You know the fucking vibe. What's up, Jack? lot of people were having trouble as well, because I think a lot of people did tend to take sells. A lot of people did tend to take sells coming down their way because they thought that price was overbought, or the fact that price was, you know, was at a heavy level of resistance that it must reject, right? That's not always the case. Who's mic is that? Sorry, chat. I got mute everyone for analysis. But you guys let me your mics after. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, so what am I doing? So let me do a quick daily analysis for the day. All right, so starting off the weekly on gold here, looking like we are, you know, the weekly shows that we are bullish. We have remaining targets coming up to 1877. That's my weekly target. We could have it today, who knows? But I do know that the day time frame did close bullish last night, and it did close bullish above this range here. Obviously, it stayed above. We also closed above this range as well. So I would say that as long as today you respect these lows here, price should end up flipping bullish to continue up towards the next resistance. The next resistance you have is gonna be probably somewhere around like here, these areas right here. So 1890 will be my target for the day, or sorry, 1877 to match with the day target. But you know, the range is going up. It's pretty clean looking left here, as you have these low ranges going left to the left here. You have this range, and if that breaks, then you have this range up here to 1890. But that's only if you were to come up and respect these levels here, right? Obviously, price would have come down and bridges lows, then you can say chop out of the price is probably going to continue down the other way, coming down towards like 1830 or something. But there's nowhere that we're, you know, there's nowhere I'm taking sells yet for a day until you break those daily lows. So what I do know is on a small time frame, though, we dropped down to a small time frame. So with our bias now being bullish, right? Our bias being bullish. I am looking for buys today. How do I look for buys? Well, let's see. You have a support form right here at 1844 here. So that's your support. Let's get that out of the way first. And then I guess you could say your next resistance here is gonna be around here. Perfect. So I think buys for me would be above here. Buys for me would be above if we were to break above 1853.900. to continue up towards this resistance right around here, towards 1860. All right, so the range going up is gonna be around a 70 to 65 range if I'm looking for bias with the day bias being bullish, and that's only if you were to break above this range here, above 1853 here. So anything below or anything in this range here, I'm gonna stay out. And I think if I'm not wrong, this is a range to break out for sells, because you had a range one right around here, I guess. Resistance here, I guess you have support here. This is the first range, this is your second range. So sells technically be if you were to break below 1844. If you're new here and you don't know what range 1, range 2 breakouts are, go do exclamation point ranges in the chat, and then a video will pop up for you to explain that for you. But yeah, bias for me will be above 1853.900 here, going up towards 1860 for the day. And that's about it. I'm moving on to GJ here. GJ for the week looks like we are bearish. Price has, you know, spent the majority of the week in a range, I would say, for the most part. We created a top wick, we came down, we're flipping bearish, created a new low last night. So this should be interesting today, because literally price can do anything today. Price could literally drive down towards the next support level, which is gonna be around like 151 or 150.500 ish. So that could that is my potential target for the week. But obviously, no, it's gonna be a long shot. That's a weekly time frame, right? But the day time frame shows that we are bearish as well. It shows we are bearish as long as you respect these highs here to continue down towards the next daily support, which is gonna be around like 152 ish. So going down to fill that area is gonna be around 80 pip range going down. Once you flip, however, on a daily candle, it's gonna be around a 50 pip range, which is not bad at all. But overall, I'm looking for sells today. So if I'm looking for sells today, dropping down to a small time frame, I probably want to see if we can get a break below here for sells. Below, because you have a support right here, right? This is your next level of support here in this ugly range here. This is your resistance, I want to say. And then I guess you can say this is your next resistance up here at 152. So you have these major ranges here. I want to say sells to me, if I'm looking for sells, to be below 152.582. Coming down towards 152.400 ish, around the support level right here. The range going down is around a 15 pip range going down. So I mean, that's all you got for now, honestly, if I'm being honest with you guys. You have sells below here, closure, that's probably what you want. And then if you were to break below 152.424, Then looking left, you have clean traffic until 152, 154. So I guess if you don't like the way these ranges look here, which I personally don't like them the best, but if you don't like this range, then you can take sells below here instead. 152, you have this clean range going down towards 152, 133. That range is a lot bigger. It's a 30 pip range going down, or 30 something, I think. Yeah, 30 pip range going down. But yeah, this, however, this range I'm in right now, chat, I'll do whatever to stay out. There's just no ranges at all. It's not a clean range at all. That's what I meant. It's literally just watching dry paint right now. And I'll be careful taking buys as well. I know like it is a range to breakup, but I'll say wait for a day count to break the highs first. So wait for a 152.985 first to break before you actually take buy positions going up, because above 152.985 there, that's gonna be the day count of break of the highs. That's also gonna be clean traffic to the left on a small time frame. So if you look on a 30-minute time frame, above 152.985, looking left, you have clean traffic until like 153, 400-ish, 153, 300-ish around these areas here. So those would be my buys. But anything in this area, chat, stay out. Stay out. These are your positions you want. These buys right here, the green zone, these sells right here, and these sells below here. All right, but these two major levels here, stay out, because you don't know where price is gonna go yet, right? And that's what makes the most logical sense with the daily candle right now. All right, chat. All right, taking live trades, of course, man. We've been taking live trades for the past 2 years on live streams. You must be new here. It's okay. Exclamation point, new chat in the chat, so you can get the message. I feel like I haven't done an analysis in so long. Since like, when was the last time we streamed? Tuesday? Jeez.
She said I'm playing games. She said she feels trapped, stuck up in this fucking maze. How you been? I've been better than yesterday, and it was just a day. You know I don't complain, standing in the rain, soaking wet, trying to demonstrate that I don't feel away.
Good morning, happy Friday. Happy Friday. I think AJW, it's new chat. It's not just new, it's new chat.
I'm too sure for my pockets, no that's bollocks. Walking through my
I'm gonna play on gold. Thoughts on onion play on gold? I want buys above 18.53 here. I'm gonna stay out this range here. This range is a no-no for me as well, because it's kind of like, I mean, it's valid. The price is, I mean, you're bullish today, right? On the day it's happening, you're bullish today. You're anticipating price to continue up today, but I'll personally prefer above 18.53. It's not bad. The onion play here is not bad. This would have been your entry candle on 30.
Good morning, Don.
What up, brother? What up, bro?
You clearly needed that break, bro. You have so much energy today.
Yeah, I needed a break for sure. I needed a break.
Yeah.
It's not even that. I had shit going on that day. Like, I had to do shit that day, so. I mean, I guess it worked in my favor.
Today? Oh, it's crazy.
I know. I know. I can't have a, like. I know. It's hard to keep this energy though every day. It's really hard to keep the same energy on stream every day.
Yeah. I like this energy, bro. I like this.
It's all good. Yeah. Gotta lock it in. Got it. You can take sells while the day count is still bearish. You can do whatever you want, right? Even you can do whatever you want, man. You can take sells, you can take buys, you can trade a consolidation, you can trade a range, whatever you want. Asking me if I would take sells, yes, you can't take sells. I just need a range to breakout to take a trade going against the trend, right? So when you're going against the trend, gold, GJ, whatever pair it is, I would prefer a range to breakout to go against the trend. Going with the trend, you can take it anywhere you want. I can take it anywhere I want. But personally, for me to go against the trend to avoid fake outs, I need a range to breakout. All right. Range to breakout. That's point ranges. That's the reason why we have that rule of thumb, just to increase the probability of us avoiding fake outs. I'm new here. How long do you stream for? Till 9 a.m. Eastern. It's top left of my screen, 7 a.m. No, 2 hours probably.
Fuck niggas gon' multiply. Full of real niggas die. Fake niggas gon' multiply. Full of real niggas live.
Yeah.
Fuck niggas won't multiply.
Real shit.
Fuck niggas won't multiply. Fuck niggas won't multiply.
Yeah, nigga. It's your boy Juicy J. Man, you gotta watch out for these old backstabbing, broke ass, you know what I'm saying, jealous.
I like that, bro. Range to breakout. Yes, sir. Kind of looking good here, though. Like, the day time frame shows that we could have just rejected to flip bullish here. We didn't break the lows yet. We came very close to breaking the day lows, like maybe like 25 pips away. Didn't break it. It's done to flip here on the day time frame. So if you drop down to the small time frame, the 4 hour, for example, the 4 hour shows a little bit of signs that we may actually reject here. Because look left here. Look where the last 4 candle closed. You have a support right here, and this 4 candle closed rejecting it for 1, but for 2, it closed above it. It still closed bearish though. That's why I had a high chance to continue down towards support, but it closed above this area here. So this candle also has no top wick here. The 4 candle could flip here. If you drop down to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour shows that you're starting to kind of reject that support as well, and now you're actually getting a closure here on the 30-minute time frame here. So you have a chance that this 30-minute candle, this next one, could drive up towards 1853. And if price closes above 1853, then say ciao bella, as it could just continue up towards 1860. And by the time price pushes up towards that area, look at the day time frame. The day time frame would then flip bullish, and day time frame would then continue up towards the next day resistance, which is going to be around like 1878-ish, around those areas there. So you see how like it starts off with one piece of the puzzle. Yeah, this piece, that piece, that piece, that piece. You create one huge story for yourself, and then you take a position. Only a noob would buy here. I mean, you must be new to the stream, man. No one's a noob. People have their own way to trading. You must be a noob to the streams. No top wick. Yeah, on the 4 wick on a gold. Yeah, no top wick as well. So this 4 candle could flip bullish here. Where'd you caught GJ in gold in London session? GJ nothing, and then gold nothing as well. I was looking at this all night. There was no bias. There was no bias. I was looking for buys above this area last night, but we never closed above, so there's no positions. And then price crank kind of create a range here, resistance here, and support here. I guess this is a range, and then this is the second range here. And now that we have these two ranges here, if we were to break above this resistance, then I'll take my buys going up. I wouldn't have caught the sells. Even if I were to go back and be able to tell the future, I still wouldn't take the sells. This is not a position that I'll take. It's not a good position. Going against the day trend. Yeah, man. If you want to buy, as long as you're happy, bro. As long as you're happy. Whatever makes you happy, man. At the end of the day.
Yeah. Fake ass niggas, you know what I'm saying? These niggas be out here.
Can you teach me how to do that? I just saw this on YouTube. I want to learn. Learn what? What do you want to learn? What do you want to learn? What's your goal? You can learn anything on the streams. I got all the answers. Where would you caught GJ? Oh, I read that already. Is gold for sell? Yeah, man. Whatever you want. If you can take sells, if you want to take sells, man. It's just you know, I gave a breakdown, a full rundown on gold from the weekly down to the daily to the 15, 4 hour, 30-minute time frame. Said where I was looking for positions on. 5 minutes later, I get a question asking me, gold sells, Don? Gold sells? Is gold a sell? Is gold a buy? Man, if you just simply just watch the analysis, you can apply the same rules to that analysis each and every single day to catch your own positions that you may look for. All you gotta do is pay attention for 5 minutes, man. That can go a long way, you know. But if you come to the streams, ignore all that and ask buy or sells, you're not gonna get anywhere. You're not gonna go anywhere. So, you know, man. You don't do any currencies? The fact that you have a TikTok picture as your profile picture, I'm guessing you came from TikTok, right? These questions sound like you came from TikTok. It's all love though. You don't do any currencies? I trade GJ and I trade gold. GJ stands for pound yen. GPJPY. Why no gold buys is hourly candle? Again, I answered this question about 2 minutes ago. I'm waiting for a closure above 1853.972 here for buys going up to fill the range. Chat, what's going on? It's a Friday. I understand that, but hey, yo. Hey. Hey. What's going on, chat? I know there's some new people in the chat here. They're asking questions. Cool. It's all good. But if you're an OG here, I expect you to take over that for me. Nah, bro. First thing I thought of a picture. Oh, word? Word. Hey, man. Appreciate being here, though, AC. AC, what's going on? Hey, man. Mod check. Yeah, mods, please help me with the mods. It's a Friday. It's my first day back. You know what? In like 2 days. We need badges in chat. Yo, YouTube's coming up with that stuff. Very soon. Yeah, we did
about YouTube removing dislikes?
Yeah, they already did it for, I think, shorts. So it's like they might as well just do it for videos too. Hey, so it looks like that new person that comes to my streams every day, it's dislike. Gotta find a new job, man. You gotta find a new job.
What do you think about that, Don? You think it's a good move, or you think they should just allow dislikes?
I think whatever they do, I'll respect it. I'll support it. You know.
Guys, YouTube's already bought out Don. He doesn't have his own opinion.
Whatever you think, YouTube, as long as you're paying with them, that's all love, bro. Whatever you can do, whatever you gotta do. As long as it makes you happy. Sorry, chat. Looking for music to play. I need something that catches my vibe right now. No, it's not. I can't.
What's the crack? You already.
Right, Rich? Yeah, not really. You know what? Let's go my Apple Music because I hate Spotify's playlist. Use pocket option, brother. I don't know what that is, brother. I don't know what that is, brother. Pocket options? No. Whatever I did to you, how long have we been streaming for? We've been streaming for 26 minutes here. Whatever I talk to you about, that's all I do. Literally all I do. You see the NASA did this morning? You see how I'm saying like I need a bias above here closure? That's all I do. It looks simple, but it's definitely not simple. It just took me years and years and years to put together, months and months and months of backtesting to put together. But that's all I do. Whatever else you're mentioning, Fibonacci here, Fibonacci there, trend line here, trend line there, pocket option here, pocket option there, bank trading here. I don't do any of that stuff, so sorry, man. Morning, fam. What up, Tyler? What's your PC specs? 3070 and then Ryzen 7 something. I forgot what it was. Got here kind of late to the stream. Don't worry, man. If you're late to the stream, do exclamation point late and Nightbot will take care of you, man. There's no excuse for being late though, because you can always go back and watch the beginning of the streams on replay mode. So watch that and you'll learn a lot. Oh, okay, LOL. Yeah, man. Sorry, chat. Let me just do a quick Rizzo, so how's your past 2 days been on stream, man? Or your past 2 train days been?
Really good, bro.
I know, gold. You probably caught a piece of gold.
Actually, no.
No.
I was like extra patient waiting for closures.
Really?
Really good. I just. Pardon?
Really?
Yeah. I don't know if I told you, but I just started fixing up the rest of my life, and then I just became more disciplined again.
Hey, man.
So I've literally taken 2 trades this entire week. 1.5 win, 1 break even.
Wait, one what? Sorry.
1 0.5 win. So like
Yeah.
I risked 1%.
Oh, I got it. Nice.
And then 1 break even. Which is crazy because last Friday I took like 8 trades in one day and I just.
Well, it's a Friday today. Friday's not done yet, Garza. But I hope you survive it.
Yeah. No, I'm feeling good, bro. I'm feeling
Yeah,
good.
it should be fine.
Mentality. Thanks for asking.
I just thought I'd ask, you know, just to make sure you didn't blow your account. Where's Wixman? Did you blow his account? Where's he at?
Yeah, where's Bowser's again?
You know, yeah, I took the last 2 days maybe 2 positions, or technically 1 position on a day that we called out in the Center channel, and then the other position, which is that same trade base. I just kind of
Called it out twice.
it was.
Do you want to break down the trade you called in the Signal channel? That'd be interesting.
Yeah, it was just a day count flip. Honestly, it was right here yesterday when price was creating a bottom wick here, right? And then as price was flipping bullish here, got a little late on the flip. Wasn't that the initial flip was a little around here, around like 18.56ish or 18.54ish, around there. And then TP was around like 18.66ish, which we pretty much tapped. But what ended up happening was I understood that looking left, they were close above this range here. So I knew that we had a high chance to drive up looking left to fill this area right here, this piece right here. I didn't put my target up there though. I put my target a bit lower, around like 866 based off the small time frame. And then basically, I think it was on small time frame on the 30-minute break of the highs, the 30-minute break above a certain range resistance was where I took the positions on. And then we had our stop loss on the current candle lows on the day candle, which is around like 120 pips or 110 pips, and then TP was around like 104 pips up here for 1870. There was no drawdown to trade. Prices went up basically. Risk free at the 30 pips in profit, and then close half at 30 pips in profit. Let a runner go after that towards TP, and that's it. And that's actually rope sway.
And this guy just did like 25-step breakdown. He's like, that's it. Simple.
That's it. Simple trade. Basically, to sum it up, chat. Day candle flip. It was the day candle flip bullish. That's it. AC? Alright, you seem like you're struggling here, man. Exclamation point struggling. It's all good. You're new here. Let me just break down to you how the stream works, okay? If you're new to the stream, you sit and you listen. But so if you're, here's a little run through the stream. We come on the stream at 6:30 a.m. Eastern to 9 a.m. Eastern. Why 6:30? Because that's the pre-NY session. All right, NY session opens up at 8 a.m. Eastern. If you don't know yet, go on FOREX Factory, learn all about that. I have my charts up on TradingView. I've always had up on TradingView for the past 2 years. It's just the browser that I use to mark up and analyze my charts. I use Owanda's broker on TradingView. If you're asking me why, I don't know why. It's just what I use. I always use Owanda. Always been using Owanda. There's that. I had to enter trades on my phone. How do I enter trades on my phone? There's a software called MT5 which links to my broker. Traders Domain exclamation point broker in a chat. I'll link you to that, and I'll show you my broker and how to set all that good stuff up. But once I do that, I trade my phone, enter trades my phone, manually with my fingers. I don't use any devices. I don't use any keys, nothing like that. Just because I'm just used to using my phone. Okay. That's it. Regarding my strategy, that's what you're here for the streams. You gotta show up every day. If you want a quicker way to learn my strategy, whatever it is, then you gotta go and purchase the course. But until then, the streams are free, and all you gotta do is tune in every day I'll say if you tune in for a good 4 months straight, every single session, every single day, you should have a good idea of what my strategy is and how everything kind of works. But yeah, man. Now I get FAQ for newbies. I should, but you know what the funny thing is? No one's still gonna watch it. Doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't matter what I do, chat. You know, if I were to do a FAQ saying watch this before you watch the stream, no one's gonna watch that, man. No one's gonna watch it. It's just people don't watch. People don't care enough, you know. People don't care enough. But that's why we have commands, because people get an instant answer. They care more about that stuff than watching a whole video. Oh, I gotta click this video and then I gotta watch a 25-minute video of Don explaining what his stream's about. We don't got time for that. All right. So you're lucky to have someone explain this to you. You know what, AC? You're also lucky because I've never done that in my life. I've never actually explained my how my stream works to anyone before. So yeah, man. So what's your suggestion to someone who has funding evaluation program and he has to target at least 8% in 30 days, but there's not much opportunities like this month? You're chalked, man. You're chalked. I'm playing. That's the problem. That's my problem with why I don't trade funding accounts, because you're always putting pressure on yourself to make a certain amount before a certain date. I don't like that pressure. That's why I trade my own account, regardless if it's big, regardless if it's small. I'll prefer to trade my own account at the end of the day. But Rob, the best thing I can tell you is that I guess you gotta force positions sometimes, right? To get to where you got to get to in that funding account. You have no choice, because if you don't, you lose. If you do, then at least you have a higher chance of passing it than if you weren't to taking your positions, right? I don't know. I guess
you risk more, man. Like for my step 1, I risk 2%, and then step 2, I risk 1%, because you need half the things.
You can risk more as well.
Yeah. That way you don't force positions, you can get your good positions. And especially with like Don's trading strategy, with like an 80% win rate, you're probably gonna be like fine risking more.
If it means I have to sit and watch a 30-minute video to learn about this, I will. Oh, brother. It will take you 30 minutes to learn about Forex, brother. I can tell you that. It'll take you 30 minutes to understand my stream and how that works. But if you're asking what's the difference into 4 and 5, or if you know, if you think you'll learn FX in 30 minutes, you must be a genius. Because that's a lot more than 30 minutes, bro. It might be 30 accounts, 30 hours minimum, bro. 30 months. It takes a long time. Not 30 minutes learning about FX, brother. Don't think you can sit there for 30 minutes and be like, 30 minutes can become rich. No, man. It takes a long time. A long time, man. In 30 minutes, though, you will learn about my stream. I can tell you that. You'll learn about how everything works, excluding the strategy. So, but yo, for real, little AC, go ahead and use go on Bay Pips. Go on Bay Pips. Finish Bay Pips. Go from kindergarten to like grade 1, and then come back to me and ask me questions. It'll make a lot more sense to you. You know, I love this because like I think months ago there's someone else like AC too, and then he kept coming to the streams, and now he's at a level where he kind of understands how everything is and how everything works and what I'm looking for, what he's looking for. Yeah, NT5 is newer, man. I think you want to use NT5, I think, because it's basically just like a layer software and it's free. They're both free, so if you have 2 free softwares and one's later than the other one, you might as well use the newer one, especially when the other one is outdated. Chat, by the way, we came up here, we pushed and we tapped 1853 here. If you get a closure above here in about 10 minutes here for a 30-minute closure, I'll look for buys going up. All right, chat. So we broke down this 1 hour candle. We broke down how the 1 hour candle closed bullish support. We have an onion here going up. Someone asked about it earlier. I said it did make sense to continue up. But now the question is, are we going to break above this resistance, or are we going to break above this resistance, or are we going to reject here? So Let's see, chat. Let's see. This is a very crucial area here. Be patient. I think teaching a strategy shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. Oh, I can explain you my strategy in two minutes. The always said you don't understand your strategy until you can explain it in 2 minutes, or you can explain it in a very quick manner, like fluidly. Yeah, you could. I could teach my overall strategy, but there's a lot of things that comes with it. You know, there's a whole playbook I have, and if it takes a long time for me to explain that whole playbook. The list of setups that I wait for and only look for every day, right? That takes a long time, but the overall basic foundation of strategy, support and resistance, that's basically what I do. Support and resistance, trading zone to zone, that's it. I found my bias so here's my strategy. I find my bias on the day time frame. I go with the day bias. I take positions going with that bias on a small time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, using support and resistance, catching range to range. That's it. That's my strategy. But for me to you know, explain each and every single thing that I do or that I look for, that takes a long time. It's called breakout strategy, but with confirmation that's range 2 breakout, no. No, I mean, completely with all the pros and cons. I have watched so many courses and they all teach you the same thing with different words. Hey man, whatever floats your boat, whatever makes you happy at the end of the day, right? If you believe that, you believe that. How about 30-minute onion sells on? I wouldn't look for sells here, no. I'm looking for buys here. Above 1853 here. If sells do happen, they happen. I'm looking for sells below 1844.254. No sells for me in this one. This year fire so many subs and entries like 4 hour no top wagon onion on lower time frames. Perfect. We literally broke this down, chat. We literally broke this down this morning, chat. We really talked about this forward candle, didn't we? Like 20 minutes ago. We said how, look at the forward candle. What's the forward candle doing? Pay close attention. It has no top wick. That's the first thing you notice. You also respected the support here. Rejected the support. Could flip bullish off of the 1 hour closure on a small time frame. Drop down to the 1 hour. 1 hour showed that we had a bullish channel closure. To continue up towards 1853. And now this is like the cherry on top would just be a closure above, and that would be our position. That was it. But the whole breakdown was on point so far today. On point. If you guys paid close attention to the morning's analysis, those are very key. Very key. And now look, the day time frame is getting closer to flipping. The day count didn't break the lows, could flip bullish here to continue up towards 1870 today. So we may actually leave runners today. Who knows? I think this is well enough for me. A nice 70-pip range is enough for me for today on a Friday, to be honest with you. Let's see. The stop loss on the 30-minute time frame would be around if you get a closure in 6 minutes here, would be around 50 pips for a TP of 50 pips. Around a 1-to-1 RR. Not bad. Good morning, ladies and gents. What up, Paula Bear? What's going on, bro? Chat, I don't know why, man. Like, yes. If you see an account that's not my account, it's a fake account. Yeah, do you know how many DMs I got? People saying, "Yo, Don, is this a fake account? Don, is this fake?" Yes, it's fake, man. If you're DMing the real account, asking the fake account if it's fake, chat, this is the only account. This is the only account I have. It's Donvo. That's it.
That's pretty funny. You're DMing the real account, asking if that's a fake account.
Like, yes, just go report it. You know, like I don't got like. I didn't tag the fake account or anything because like I don't want to give that fake account promo or anything, but it's fake account. It's literally copying out my posts, my links and all that. It's just I don't know what to tell you. Just go report it. That's it. You go report it and move on with your day. You know, there's nothing I can do. Nothing I'm gonna do about it. And you know, it's just, it's natural. It's just something that happens every day. And I guess in the industry, you know, there's fake accounts everywhere for everything. Do you know how many fake profiles Drake has? You know, or any of these other big artists have, or people? A lot of
Like
fake
at
accounts.
least 2.
Yeah, a lot. A lot.
I'm kidding.
A lot, chat. So it ain't new to me. That's a chat's IQ. Nah, chat's IQ is pretty high actually. I think our chat compared to a lot of other chats, we have the highest IQ. Shout out to chat, man. I was holding it down. Yes, the one with 7K followers is the one that's fake. Report it. Report it, and that's it. Nothing I can do about it, honestly. I'm learning 7 months and still learning. I'm learning 3 years and still learning. I'm always learning. I'll forever learn. I'll forever learn. Forever learn. Always. I wonder if Nightbot's and beef me on his Love It Friday. Nah, you know, he's not behave, you know. Nightbot will understand, right, Nightbot? Hi, Paul.
Hold on, Dom. Hold on, Herbert.
Is that Paul? What's going on?
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, I entered that buy gold at 1846.
1846.
Yeah.
Off the hourly.
I entered off the 15.
Oh yeah, I figured.
Yeah.
Nice.
I closed full at 1853.
Oh shit. That's around 6 pips. 70. Damn, you a busy man. Phone ringing already. First day on stream. He's like, hey, broker code. Who's this on voice? That was Paula Bear, I think. That was Paula Bear. The guy who donates every day, chat.
2020, but I can't see nobody. One eye open, Illuminati.
Naughty.
This might be the verse that make them drop me.
Yeah. W Paul. Alright, whole chat's like, wow. Apply for a check? I think it's time, right? Chat, I think it's time. I deserve a check. I deserve the verification check. But like, do I just send proof of other accounts? Oh yeah, this account's trying to beat me. This other account's trying to beat me. There's also another TikTok account that's trying to beat me as well. In the air. I hate TikTok. I hate TikTok. Bro. Man. Chat, man. I go on TikTok. Pardon? Yeah, 51 seconds here.
Okay, lock it in.
I don't think we're gonna get anything, to be honest. I'm looking at it, but this thing is still below the range here. I might gotta wait for our next 30 candle if it doesn't close. Where's your resistance at, Rosa? Nice.
18. No, how
I'm joking.
I drew mine at like 1853.4.
1853.4. Interesting.
It's off the 30.
Oh, I see you. Yeah. It looks like it's your lucky day, my lucky day, because we ain't getting any of those closures.
yeah. But I was paying attention to the 15, and that was like a little bit of a concern as well.
So yeah, my zone's marked for the 1 hour. Or sorry, the 30-minute time frame. Yeah. This one right here.
Yeah, I was looking at that too. But then I don't know. I feel like honestly that's probably more confirmed. I agree with that. Can move right now.
Well, for me, it's kind of like, here's how I look at it. It's like if you had closure above that resistance that you had marked up, it's like okay, that'll be valid as well. But where's your next resistance? Right here. It's like, oh, you might as well wait for a closure above here instead, you know. And then you have this.
Yeah. Plus, it's still like the 4 hour. It's like right at the 4 hour flip and unflip, flip and unflip. You know?
Yes. Yeah, chat. By the way, there's no bias here for me. This says bias above here closure. You don't have a bias above here. You don't have a closure. Whatever makes you happy, Ali. Have you tried applying with IG? Nah, I never applied yet. No. Honestly, this week I've started to notice that there's a bunch of accounts that's copying me as well, or that's that's using my content. So I might just go ahead and do it. I think I seen 2 accounts, 3 accounts. I don't know if that's enough though, chat. I think I need more than that to really apply for it. I mean, it can't be that hard, right?
Yo, just do a quick Google search right now.
I mean, there's other names in the industry that haven't got this check yet, and they have a bigger following.
Yeah, but like you might have to apply just because I've seen small accounts get verified too, like literally 3,000 people.
Yeah, I know small accounts get applied too. Yeah, I gotta check.
Just Google it now. I'm pretty sure everyone would want to know like how to. We're waiting anyway.
How to apply for Instagram verification.
Or requirements or something.
User needs to ensure that the account they are representing is authentic. It should be public and have a bio, a profile photo, and should have at least 1 post. The account should be unique, which means that there should not be any kind of basic copy. Okay, cool.
Nothing about followers.
There's no I think they just verify if they see that are people trying to like mimic you or
copy you?
Yeah, mimic you or copy you. It depends really. Or if you have a blog, if you have like a vlog or like a, it's so stupid because you can just pay like fucking Yahoo to write you a blog or some shit by yourself.
Right, you can pay Forbes to write you a blog.
Yeah, you pay Forbes to write you a blog. It's like it's so stupid. Like I hate social media.
But you can't pay Controller FX to write you a blog or make you a post.
Yes.
It's got to be authentic.
I'll never do that shit, man. This shit's so cringe to me. So cringe. It's just a way of trying to get. I mean, I respect it for people who are just using it to get extra course money and stuff, but it's just so cringe, bro. It has to get attached to Google though. Yeah, you need articles on Google.
Before like all the fake accounts get blocked, so you have something to show.
Yeah. Y'all block me though, those accounts. Honestly, I don't really care. I honestly don't really care. I come to the streams. This is the only channel that streams Control FX content. You know, so if you hear,
imagine there was a perfect mirror stream.
Oh fuck, bro, that would be really bad. And that had more views than us. That'd be really bad. That'd
be so funny. But that wouldn't work because then that chat would ask questions and then it just wouldn't make sense, right? Because it's off our chat.
Stream clock is off by 10 seconds. Well, Tyler, I don't know why. Why is it delay? Why is it off? Is there a delay on YouTube though? Let's check. No, it's 1 second delay. I think it's just the clock. Maybe I gotta change it or something. I don't know. Has it always been like that? What if it's always been like that? Let's see.
I don't think it's always been like that.
18.5, 4.43. Yeah, you're right. It's usually like 5 seconds behind or something.
Now we gotta push it up again.
I don't know. Not sure, chat. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know. But I know that there's no delay like from my. It's weird. I don't know. Maybe it's my connection or something today. I don't know. I wonder if you can try to follow me. Yeah. Just careful, chat. That's it. Just be careful. Just, you know, you can't be that low IQ to delete those accounts. All right, chat. There's no way. There's no way. I'm pretty sure people can sort it out by now. Which means I don't understand why these fake accounts try. But it's sad to see that people do follow those accounts. People do follow those accounts. Bro, like I see like all the time. There's like a Drake page which has 100 million followers. And it's a Drake page that has 200k. How does that page have 200k followers? How did I get to the point where it has 200k followers? Like, you know? And it's just like Drake's fake account.
I mean, it could be bought and stuff. Like, I know a lot of people, especially in the Forex industry, a lot of gurus do that, bro. They'll buy like 30k followers for social proof, and then you'll realize they're all bots. We
should do it, right? Tomorrow, chat, I'm gonna hit 10k on live stream in an instant. Chat, just refresh it. Nah. Yeah, it's so cringe. Buying followers, buying likes. Yeah, but paying for just useless numbers.
Right? It's just like, why?
You know, it's useless. It's so cringe. Oh. Well, chat, if you're in my primary section, congrats. Everyone else is in general. Look at this.
My primary done?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in primary.
Oh yeah, I just look at that, Mr. Uncle Ted. Replying to your stories, giving me that positive feedback.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All love. Peace and love.
Peace, love, and prosperity, man.
How was that game mentored by Q? I never really like. One thing I did was like maybe my friend had his course, came across his course. Learning about support resistance, trend lines, fibs that I don't use anymore. I don't think I did get away from that course. It was my first ever FX course. So I learned a lot in regards to just like the market, how it works overall. But do I still trade the same way like that? Probably not. Like the only thing I really do to this day is maybe draw support resistance. But even the way we draw support resistance was way different. The way he drew it was way different to the way I draw it nowadays. So there's nothing that really continued on forward from that course, but there was it was definitely a starting point, and it was definitely a huge part of my journey. So big ups to that. But then they chat, I don't got social media. Yeah. Chat, how many of you guys in the chat? How many of you gents use skincare products at night? Do you use skincare?
I never use skincare. Do you?
I started recently. Skin's getting a little clearer. I mean, it's getting smoother. It's about it. But I use some moisturizers and stuff, basically. Like I don't know what the other ones are, but soap and water. I used to just use water. And like, I was like, what's the point? But then, you know, as you get older, I guess you just have to care about other things.
Every time I diet, it's good. My skin's just perfect. But then when my diet's bad, my skin gets messy.
When you're what?
Diet.
Oh, your diet. Yeah, it depends what you eat too. Like, bro, I can eat a Five Guys burger today. Tomorrow I'll grow a fat pimple on my forehead. Yo, you go to Five Guys, a greasy burger, eat that with the large fries and the Coke, you're getting a guaranteed pimple. 100%. Guaranteed pimple from that.
Guaranteed pimple. But I don't know. I don't get that many pimples. But when I do, it's like the worst locations ever. You know? It's like I'll just get it like right here, but like right on the tip of my nose.
Yeah, mine isn't
Yeah,
that bad. Like I have a fat one right here, but yeah, those spots are the worst, bro.
Yeah, just like in your face, you know?
Stay hydrated. You're just gonna take care of yourself. Yeah.
Don, did you try Top Gun Burger? I think I told you about it like 3 months ago. You brought up burgers.
No.
Bro, try it, try it. Is there one near you?
Setup question? What? let me check if it's near me. I mean, just it wasn't Toronto.
yeah,
It's not near me, but
yeah.
they're definitely in Toronto. These look like these look like it'll give me a fat pimple, man.
It's so good, bro. It's so good.
This,
I
I mean,
like the
this,
monster burgers. Like I can't eat that shit.
I
Bro.
like this. This is like a Burger Priest burger, but bro,
I've been to Burger Priest too. Yeah.
I had a burger last night, so like this looks like very unhealthy for me right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is a little
Cause
bit.
yesterday I had like a burger, and I told myself today I'll eat some healthy food. And,
Yo,
like,
when you want to go out and eat healthy, where do you go?
Chipotle. I'm playing. Honestly, I don't have that many restaurants for healthy food. I'll be honest.
I mean, like Freshy's kind of like Chipotle, I guess.
Chipotle's not bad. I love Chipotle.
Yeah, Chipotle.
I love Chipotle. What's your order?
What's my order from Chipotle?
Yeah.
Depends. is it a broke boy day or is it like I'm feeling good?
Bob's Burgers. You're feeling good type of day. What would you order?
Okay, then I just get a wrap, like a burrito, and then steak. That's like
Okay, what's the
straight.
broke day then?
Broke day? This is what you used to do at Ryerson, bro. Everyone used to do it. Broke day, you would get you would get a bowl, and then you keep just asking for more shit on the bowl. Like, yeah, just a little bit more, and then you ask for two things, breads on the side, and then you have 2 meals.
Is that the same
That's
price
broke.
as the regular? As
Yeah. Everyone at Ryerson did that.
Nah, this I can't. Chat. One day,
Okay, but you don't have broke
one
days.
day, I'm gonna have my own thing at Chipotle. The Dom Bowl. And this is what you get.
Yo, you get sponsored by Chipotle one day. How about that?
You get a steak bowl with brown rice, black
Oh, you're a
beans.
bowl person?
You get mild. Add lettuce.
Mild, yeah.
Add a scoop of guac.
Yes.
Add cheese. Add sour cream. Obviously tomatoes. And the mild. And then you ask for a side of what's the thing called?
The nachos?
Nah. The wrap, but without anything in it.
Oh yeah. Just the bread. They give you the bread on the side.
Yeah, that and then chips and guac.
Do you just keep like ripping off pieces and like grabbing it?
Yeah, I do that. Yeah.
I know. I'm more of like I like sandwiches.
What do you mean the music has disappeared?
So shit, my bad, bro. Okay.
Oh no, I was testing the music. Sounds like the music has disappeared.
This guy turned up the the thing. He's self-tweeting. He just like silence. It's a tortilla, yeah.
Tortilla, yeah, there you go. Yo, Wix, where you at, brother? I missed you.
Yeah, right.
Come on the stream, man.
I gotta run through the fire. I need a hoe like Mariah. I wanna swear with the tire. I make the family retire. I gotta see the hope either way. I gotta free the folks where I lay. I gotta show the light to the weak. Dodging the fake woke in LA.
Yo, what do you think about sushi? Sushi is like a once in a while food for me. I can't have it too often.
Sushi? I love sushi.
Like,
You
would be able
know,
to have it, like, 3
matter
times
of
a week?
fact, I want sushi right now. Pardon?
Like, would you be able to have it like 3-4 times a week?
No, once a week. Max.
Max, right? Yeah, max.
Maximum.
Exactly. It's not like you can't have like every day.
Realistically, once every 3 weeks for me. Twice a month for me, probably. You ever in a Torah? At YD?
No, I go to sushi spots like near me. I've been to like 1 or 2 downtown. Sushi's like a social thing. That's why I like it.
Social thing. Never heard of that.
No, like you go with like a couple friends, and then like you guys are just sitting there chilling for like 45 minutes an hour.
Chad, is this thing about Forex?
Oh, Barry,
Go get some sushi. Trying their donation.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
Damn. Paula Bear with the $20 donation. Go get some sushi. Sheesh. I should get some sushi. Not right now though. Maybe later. You're right. Maybe later. Yo, thanks Paul for sponsoring the streams lately, man. Honestly, like I've been demonetizing my stream, but your donations have been making up for it. You don't gotta donate. I say it all the time, but hey, man. Thank you as always. As always.
$15. Oh, fuck, never mind.
Yeah, 15 close below. We have 30 minutes left.
Celery, but then you don't have a bottom width on the 15.
Sorry, no, yeah, 15 minutes left for a third closure. Spring Sushi downtown is fire. I don't really like all can eat sushi places, man.
Really?
Because the quality of this, I liked it for what it is. It's cool, like, you know, with people, but the quality of the sushi ain't that great because it's just kind of like, it's all you can eat, right? And it's technically just a scam too, because like, it's never worth the money you pay for all you can eat. You're better off getting better sushi and paying for what you want to eat than going to all you can eat or buffets.
I like pretty like basic sushi though. Like I don't like sashimi and stuff.
I love sashimi,
but I can't have that. It just feels too much like raw fish. Sushi's pretty healthy though, no?
Yeah, it is. That's healthy food, I guess.
Yeah, I swear it like stacks so nicely in my stomach.
Yeah, sushi's actually pretty good. Sushi sounds good
like
today.
It sits so nicely.
Yo, Chad, we have sushi today. Yeah, be on the lookout for controller back to story today.
Yeah, I was gonna say. You gotta shout out Paul too, bro.
Shout out Paula Bear. Yeah, I'm shout out Paul, but shout out Paula Bear for his meal.
Yeah. 13 minutes till the hourly closure. What's GJ saying? Nothing. Whoa. What the heck?
Pardon?
Yo, open up NZD AUD? I've never looked at this. I don't know why it's up.
Pardon?
Open up NZD AUD.
What about it?
Go on the daily. Go on the daily. Look at that gap.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen a daily gap like that.
What the hell is NZD AUD? Oh man, chat. This red line. You know what this red line means? This red line means I've been through it.
Yeah, you've been here before.
I've been through it before. Wow. Hold on. This chat. This is from. Can I check the history of this? Why was this line drawn here? Because this line was probably drawn in 2019. Wow, I've been through it, chat. We've been through tough times here, man.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh yeah. Why is the line here? Makes no sense.
Maybe you're just trying to tell yourself not to come back. Just put a red line through the entire chart.
Yeah. Nah, I think I can't tell you. I don't know. Paper planes. Like Mike Corleone.
Don, what's your take on the celery?
My take on a 15-minute celery play. The first thing I noticed here is that the 15-minute has no bottom wick here, which automatically decreases the probability of the trade by a bit. So that's a red flag for me. And then 30-minute candle hasn't closed above, still a red flag. The 1 hour hasn't closed above, red flag. So 9 minutes left. I think I'd rather be patient for it, wait for this to close, and then boom, we'll be in.
Agreed.
Also, the 9 minutes, you also have the NY open, so amazing.
But Trippy Red sucks.
Oh, I'll take. All right, man. Next.
Just yelling at you all the time.
Who said that?
I said that.
Oh, you said that? Banned.
You like Trippy?
Yeah, I said Trippy. Here's who I listen to.
Just kind of feels like he's nagging at you 24/7.
I like Trippy a long time ago, like from like 2017, like a long time ago.
Let me see what Trippy Red song I have to say. Yeah, long time ago.
We got time.
I never really listened to Machine Gun Kelly.
Just gonna play Bacardi?
No, I never had a big play. I like obviously like the famous stuff, but I would very much be down for some song recommendations from Playboy.
You probably won't like his new stuff. It'll take you a while to get there, but you like his old stuff, baby.
Yeah.
Jack Harlow. I don't really like Jack Harlow, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Bro, yesterday I put my phone onto black and white. Cut my screen time in half.
Nice. Why?
Because like your phone literally becomes so much less attractive. Like I can't like mindlessly scroll through Instagram. It's so boring. So everything's black and white.
Speaking about that, can I change the theme on my iTunes to No, I can't, right? To dark version?
Mine's not dark version. It's literally black and white.
Oh. Okay, actually.
Yeah, like it's not like inverse colors. There's like no color. It feels like a Nokia, like a 2004 Nokia. Air Force One.
Yeah. Air Force playlist. In a mansion.
Start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B, and I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my
Don, can you hear like my chairs like creaking?
Move?
What?
A little bit, but it's nothing bothering. It's nothing loud or obnoxious or anything. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
One day I'll catch the squirrels live on stream.
Where's Wix9? Wix! Get on the stream!
Trade stuff.
No, bro, I don't trade stocks.
How's chat doing? How's your week, chat? Good question, Mark.
Hold up.
Oh, that's Wix. You could tell that's Wix because he's fixing his mic.
Is it Wix?
100%. I don't
Oh
even
yeah,
have
that
to
is Wix. Yeah, that is Wix.
I told you I don't have to look.
That is Wix.
It's him
Wix,
doing-
what's your
it's him
background
going-
saying?
He's in the car.
Oh, it's saying home. You didn't have to hop on stream, Wix, if you couldn't.
Wix loyal, bro. Wix is loyal.
You're loyal. I'm loyal. Down Wix, there might be a little not gonna lie, little
It's so funny just watching Wix trying to figure it out.
yeah, I give up.
How the fuck do I fix this?
It's definitely Wix, man. That's definitely Wix. That's definitely Wix. For sure, Wix. Come in handy. I miss playing Warzone.
That's the only game you play?
Yeah. It is.
Other than these girls you keep playing, Don?
Oh no, no brother. Please don't set me up like that on stream. Please don't. What, you're set up. I'm gonna get a mass text later because of you just now.
Yeah. Who you playing, Don? Who else?
Sorry, I was watching the chat. You have about 2 minutes here for a third minute count closure, 1 hour count closure here for positions here, right? So let's see what we got going on. This month has been dry. I think gold is making up for the past 2 days. I don't think it's been that dry. You're pretty lit. What up, Wix?
Yo, I put my background as none, and it still does this shit.
Are you home?
No, I'm in the car.
Where you at? Where you going? Driving
my
kids to school?
Yeah.
I knew it. 8 a.m., right?
Yeah.
You might get a closure here though in a minute. What'd you do? Are you gonna pull up to the side and trade?
Are you gonna make your kids be late for their first class?
Yeah, fuck it. Well, why are you late? My dad had to make money, you know. My dad had to make money on his way to work.
Got my laptop on the. I'm rolling like a car.
Like an op. I
Pull
see.
up on a light, trade on my laptop. Yeah, people are like, why does he have a laptop in this? Be putting on their seatbelts next to me. How the fuck I get rid of this background? This is some shit.
I like it. I don't think we're gonna get the closure.
I think we will. I don't think so too. We have a minute left. Not looking good from our ends here.
Last 30 minutes about to close Doji too. Honestly, I wouldn't mind waiting for a 4 hour close form of support and then taking on that. That'd be like extra confirmation too. Oh, last 30 seconds.
26 seconds. I don't think we're gonna get it.
Let's go. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Alright guys, you all just have to manifest it for 10 seconds.
Yeah, looking very chalk till 8:30, man. Unfortunately.
I don't understand. Can is it chop? It's chop.
Yeah. Started off, no bottom was as well. Shot straight up.
Yep. Chat, look at this. Whenever I can close, respecting this resistance here. I make it still pop up here. Doesn't mean they can't pop up. It's just that what I prefer for it to do to take a position isn't met here. The requirements aren't met here for me. I need a closure above here, right? It's still close bullish, so you can still say that as long as it respects this low here, the previous 1 hour low can still continue up. But again, who knows here, chat? Who knows what's gonna happen here? Kurt Cobain. Wait, so you playing games?
I play League.
Oh yeah, you're a League player. That's not bad.
Yeah. I used to be a COD player and stuff. I played a lot of Minecraft in like elementary school. I actually made $200 off Minecraft.
Let's see, this is my clip.
Yo, it's gonna be like a 360 no scope double tap and triangle.
Nah. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened here.
I miss COD, bro. Did you play the old CODs?
Yeah, I did. There's Warzone though.
No, I meant like old, like PS3 days.
Yeah, I did. Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2, I did, yeah.
Yeah, bro, I recently reconnected my PS3 to the TV and like my friend comes over sometimes and we just throw some zombies, some like old school stuff. Oh, good aim, bro. You play PC?
Yeah, keyboard and mouse.
That's why I'm like, this guy's aim is impeccable.
Impeccable.
Yeah.
Impeccable. Well, yeah. I mean, hurts my head kind of watching it nowadays. Wow, good GG just ranging here. Holy man. Well, the GG 1 hour kind of close bearish here. It looks like it wants to drive down towards 152, 582 here, but nasty range until you actually get a breakout. Gold was our only hope today, and it looks like we're not gonna get much until 8:30 here, minimum. Chat. Look at gold. I'm looking at gold. What am I supposed to look at? There's nothing I can take. Even if understand that this chat, once I have a playbook, even if price were to shoot up here, I would not care for it. Something I can't go back and say I should have done this, I should have done that. I can't go back and say I wish I got in here, I wish I got in there. It's like I expect it to continue up here, but just because I expect it going up doesn't mean it's enough for me to take a position. Right? I need a closure above for me to take a position that makes logical sense to my terms. So like I'm looking at it. I'll look at it go up, but I'm not taking any positions here. I'm not gonna hesitate middle of a candle as well. I already made my decision years ago, months ago, that I'm not gonna take a position here off my playbook. Right? I'm not making my decisions now on the spot. And chat, be careful though, because this kind of has no bottom wick here. It can still flip bearish to drive down here to create support somewhere. Because it then closes above the range. So just be careful here, chat, if you're looking for positions. Especially you impulse entry positions, you people, you know? Be careful.
Yeah.
At which point, SIE.
Oh, impulse entries.
You thought that was nice aim? Wait till you see this clip.
Yo, I don't like sometimes. Why is it that like sometimes when you play something, I can't see it off Zoom, I can only see it off YouTube?
Oh, it's a different browser.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, I'm looking off YouTube anyway.
And this is when I changed my settings. It was so high.
Oh, this is a free-for-all?
Yeah. I just want to change my settings.
Damn, you're actually kind of nasty.
Nah, it was. I was just testing my settings. I'm moving so fucking crazy.
Wait, is this team deathmatch or free-for-all?
This is CDM.
Yeah, oh yeah, I just saw the people on me. Holy shit, good point. Damn, you're actually pretty fucking good.
Yeah. Watch this fire. I threw throw a knife here. Oh my god, just see that.
I didn't even see that. Yeah.
I went like this. Shot him.
So
Throw a knife the other guy. Shoot this guy.
Oh.
Crazy.
That was sick. That was sick. Holy shit.
Yeah, I died. No, I think I was here's my seconds a day. So would you wait for an hourly or 30-minute closure above range to maybe look for entries? In this case, you're lucky because you have both the 1 hour candle and the 30-minute candle both close at the same time here. So in this case, I would have waited for both of them to close. I would have wanted a 30 closure or 1 hour. They both would have been the same closure. And then my entry would have been off the 1 hour candle though. And then my stop loss would have been based off the 1 hour candle. And TP would have been up here at 1860. Are we waiting for a trade opportunity? Yes, brother. Since this morning we put buys above here, closure. Once you get a closure like this, we'll be in a position. You must be new here though, right? It makes sense. We'll get buys going up. When I'm in a position, you will see my screen have this on it. You'll see this on my screen. You'll see me talking about the trade. You'll see me explain the trade, giving you guys a breakdown of the whole entire trade. You'll see all this on my screen. So don't worry. If there's no position, It's a Friday. Call it a day. But I'm here waiting for opportunities. Yes. We won't stream for no reason, right? We won't stream for no reason. This is nothing. It's like, cause here's why people get confused though, because like a lot of new traders think that like once you start trading a certain session, you have to be locked into every single minute of the candle. You don't. Once you have a playbook, you know when there's potential opportunities versus when you can kind of chill out. Like right now, there's nothing we can take here. There's literally nothing we can take here. I'm not gonna take a position in the middle of this candle here. My decision has been made already that I need a 30-minute closure above or a 1 hour closure above this 1853 mark to take buys. So now you ask yourself, when is the next 30-minute candle closure? That's in about 20 minutes here, 22 minutes here. So once it's the 30-minute candle closure, that's when I'll make my next decision. What to buy here? Why not? Right? But again, I need a closure first for it to happen. So right now I kind of have 22 minutes of doing whatever I want to do. And that's the importance of waiting for or having a playbook. Right? That's the importance of that. Because you kind of know when to trade and when not to trade. Chat, if you guys are like, you know, in the middle of a candle and you're deciding still to take a trade or not, if this candle's still open for you right now, and right now at this second you're deciding if you should take a trade or not, you probably shouldn't take the trade, because it's a very impulsive decision you're making right now. You know, you likely not be you may likely not be following your plan or whatever it is.
Now, what do you think about a 15-minute closure? I don't like it just because this one has no bottom wick, but it doesn't look too bad to me.
Sorry?
What do you think of a 15-minute closure above the range?
It's not bad. Yeah, it's clean. But I think you need a bottom wick though. That's what you need. Once you get that and closes above, I think you should be solid. Yeah. I'll take out the 15 if we got a bottom wick here, but I don't think I'm gonna get that. Or I think it's a long shot at least.
Yeah.
Especially a new 1 hour candle, no bottom wick. And like y'all 10A, like this morning, like we broke down our targets, we broke down the forward candle, we broke down how I was gonna flip and all that. We broke down our targets, and even if it taps the target today and we don't get any positions, it's fine. It's like there's a difference between having a bias, taking a position, and waiting for a setup. Right? We need all three things to align first for that to happen. In this case today, like we might get the bias correct, but we might not have the proper setups to get there. Or you might have the proper setups, you might have the proper bias, but you might not have the proper edge type. So
Other niggas make memes. I'm on a money routine. I don't want smoke, I want cream. I don't want no more comparisons. This is a marathon, and I'm aware I've been playing a bet from a lack of promotions. I never was one for the bragging and boasting. I guess I was hoping the music would speak for itself, but the people want everything else. Okay, no problem.
Damn, this guy got slid. This guy got juked out, man. Call me Kyrie Irving. I think I got juked out. Alright, chat. I'm just kind of. I just can't count time here. Is 15 trades this week overtraded? Whatever your definition of overtrading is. For me, like 15 trades, man, in a 5-day training week. That's I'm technically a 4-day because it's a bank holiday, but I'll put it 5. You're taking 3 trades a day. That's not bad. I think that's not bad. It's not overtrading. I think overtrading is when like you're just. Well, it depends, because like you could have taken those 15 trades in a day. Then that would be overtrading, yeah.
Yeah, there was 14 trades on Monday.
I'm just averaging it out. I'm just averaging it out, making it look nice, but that's not bad. I mean, whatever you prefer overtrading is, right? For me, it's like, for me, no. If I were to take 15 trades a week, I wouldn't think of that as overtrading.
To me, overtrading is like when you start trading. It's like basically when you take trade you didn't plan on taking is overtrading. Right?
Yes, like emotional entries, right? Yeah. That's what I look at it as well.
That was literally happening to me. Thing. I kept like not taking trades I planned on taking because I would hesitate, and then I started taking because of that, and then I started taking random trades that I didn't plan on taking because I didn't want to miss. We all good. Well, we got our head back in the game.
Yep.
So we all.
I take 50 trades a week. Hey man, whatever works for you, bro. Whatever makes you happy. Yo, chat. Look at this 30-minute candle. Come down. We broke down this 30-minute candle on GJ. We didn't break out the range, but we did break down this how it's gonna come down towards here. So the question now is, will we break or will we reject? Wait for a closure. Below 152.582 here. 17 minutes left for 30-minute closure. Chat to Friday today, right? Wait,
yes,
so what do you got going on today?
I have a meeting at 11 a.m. and then I have 2 assignments to do. What about you? And then a workout. I gotta do legs today.
I have a stream to do, and that's about it.
Instagram and clips to make?
Probably not, to be honest with you. Cause like, there's really nothing I can do right now.
Fill up your time? Like, aren't you bored?
Pardon?
How do you fill up your time?
I actually do a lot of shit. It's just that I have nothing like planned today. To be honest. I mean, I'm going out later tonight. That's about it. Kind of like, well, like, you know, it's kind of what I've always wanted though. To be honest, Rizzo. It's like,
yeah,
you work. I finish work in the morning, trading especially, and then after that, it's kind of like I have free time to do whatever the fuck I want. You know.
Yeah,
it's better than being on a charts all day though. Like I'd rather do that than just be on a charts till like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the afternoon. You know, locked in. People forget that when they trade or when they're trying to become full-time traders that there's no reason for you to be on the charts for more than 3 hours a day, man. There's no reason at all.
Yeah.
That's a lot of time. You might as well work at that point.
The longer I'm on the charts, I feel like the less and less like mentally stable I am.
Yeah.
Like your patience starts to running low, like, you know, like. Completely agree with that, man.
What percentage did you get this week, Don? I got like around 4%. That runner was crazy. Plus the other position as well. And then a certain loss. I think I lost on Monday. I think I lost on what, Monday, right, chat? Was it Monday or Tuesday? I forgot when we took a loss, but we took a loss this week. I think.
No, I think it was last week. I think it was the last Friday. I could be wrong.
That should be good. Yeah, around 4%. Oh, chat. 14 minutes left. 15 minutes has closed above the range here. You guys looking for positions? I know some of you guys are. It's not a bad position. It's just that careful that we have no bottom wick, but that's about it. That's all my worries. Remember, 30 minute hasn't closed above yet as well. So, yo, chat, we're being like a minute. I'm gonna get some water real quick. I'll be back in like 20 seconds.
All right, chat.
You can take over. Yeah, you can take over.
Close some accounts. How was everyone else's trading week?
What up?
Nothing much. You didn't really miss much.
Made 30% this week, then lost it all yesterday. Yeah, man, 30% a week is a bit of over leveraging, man. But I'm assuming it's over leveraging because that's I mean, hey man, if you ask yourself, whatever you're making a week, ask yourself, is that gonna be sustainable for the rest of your career? You know. But yeah, but then you lost out yesterday. The quicker you make it, the quicker you lose it, man. 30% is a lot to make in a week, man. A lot. It's sure possible for sure. Like I've had weeks where I had that too, but to lose out yesterday, that's not good luck, man. I think the mistake came before yesterday. If that's the case. If you took a loss yesterday, that was worth 30%, and you lost all your wins for the week, the mistake was made before you even took those losses yesterday. The mistake was made when you made 30% the first week. The mistake was made when you took those certain trades, taking those certain lots, in those trades, those lot sizes, that risk percentage that you took, right? Yeah. 30% loss shouldn't have happened because it comes down to good profits versus bad profits. If you made 30% with bad profits, you're gonna lose 30% with bad profits, or you're gonna lose 30% with bad losses. If you make 30% with good profits, then you're gonna lose 30% with good losses as well, if that makes sense. But you really gotta understand the difference between good versus bad profits, man. Huge key. That's relevant. That's irrelevant. Trading with D, your daily loss should have been no more than $200. That's irrelevant. That's really irrelevant because 10 pips. Sorry, 200 bucks for me is 2 pips on my lot size. It comes down to one, your equity, your balance, you know, your lifestyle or whatever. I don't know. It comes down to, I think, equity for the most part. So $200 for anyone could be 1%. It could be 100% for someone. It could be 5% for someone else. It's irrelevant. I think it's better to go by percentages. But then again, no one has the right to tell you what's right or wrong, right? At the end of the day, do whatever you want to do at the end of the day. I'm just trying to give feedback to certain people that are struggling, or that I see myself. I saw my past version of myself in you. I see my past version of myself in not a lot of people in the chat though. And it took me a long time to learn, but that's what I'm teaching you guys now. I saw my past self in Reza. I see my past self in Reza right now.
That's so funny.
And everyone. I used to run up accounts, from whatever 100% account growth in a day, in a month, or sorry, in a week, in 2 days, in 3 days. Next day, lose it all. Next day, think to myself, oh yeah, brand new start, brand new week, it's a fresh start, blah, blah, blah. Manage risk, 1%, 1%, 1%. Next thing you know, randomly risk 50% of the line, lose it all. Blood account. This is a repeat. I've seen it all. I've done seeing it all, chat. How long have you been trading? 3 years. GJ, yes, I see. GJ, you have a closure in 8 minutes here, and then we have potential sells. But I think I will stick to sells below 152, 424 here for a nice 30 pip range going down.
Working on a weekend like usual.
Way off in the deep end like usual.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Haven't paid my taxes. I'm too turned up. Swerving. Yeah, chat. It's only 8:20. Damn, this has been forever. We're approaching a target here at 18.59 here, chat. Too bad I can't give you multiple likes. It's okay. It's all good. As long as you leave a like once, that's all that matters. To me, at least. To Reza, you might want to leave more likes for him.
Yeah. We just need even numbers.
Yeah, I'm playing some Back to the Future stuff, man. Yeah, man, if you guys need to stream here, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Appreciate you guys being here a lot. I love.
The most cultured FX stream.
I can confidently say that. I can confidently say that. I'm hungry, chat, but I have 30 minutes left. Might as well suck it up. Actually, Here though. McDonald's just got here. That's on a rezo. No worries, man.
What? McDonald's just got here. Thanks, Donovan.
Yeah, pistachios, bro. Yeah, chat. I know Gold's pushing up here. I know you guys have seen Gold too. And we're looking for buys that morning, right? So this is very crucial because now you can't go and say I missed the move, or you can't say that you missed the move, right? Because you didn't, or at least I didn't, because I was waiting for a closure. I never got the closure. Or I did get a closure on the 15. However, there's no bottom wick, which helped me out. It's not valid for me to take a position with no bottom wick, and I'm not gonna take a small risk because this just doesn't make any sense. But at the end of the day, we did expect pressure to continue up here. It's just that sometimes you might not get the perfect entry, perfect setups that you may want. That's fine. But now you can. Now it's very crucial because you can't go back and say I should have got in here, I should have got in there, because what's gonna happen is it's gonna build up emotion, and then you're gonna start to take stupid. You're gonna start to take stupid positions that you know you shouldn't take. So try to hold the ground here. You know, it's a Friday. You have 30 minutes left into the session for the most part. Well, I have 30 minutes left into the session. You guys can shit to whatever times you guys want to, but try to hold it down. To Friday, you know, the worst thing you want to do is end up the Friday on a bad note, because then you had the 2 days during the weekend and you might do some stupid shit like trade Bitcoin or something with your MT5 account because you're feeling anxious.
Absolutely depressed. Trust me.
Yeah,
last
man.
Friday, but my entire weekend was like just ruined. I was so depressed.
Yeah, man. You guys know what happened with the rest of last week. You guys heard the story on the live streams. So
most of us is rushing into it anyway, you know what I'm saying? You ain't rushing for love, and I ain't up here to judge, so let's neglect the what ifs.
it is what it is. Yo, what's that sound we added a couple days ago?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap. I don't know if you want to buy or sell. Go to the beginning of the streams. I gave my bias there this morning, and why that was not biased, and where I was looking for positions today, and why I was looking for positions above those areas there today. That was all I answered this morning on the live streams. Go back to the beginning of the live streams. Go watch the breakdown this morning from the first 10 minutes of the live streams, and that's all you need to know to know why I was looking for buys and sells today. It is what it is. It is what it is. But you might get GG here. I don't think so. 5 seconds left. Yeah, we're not gonna get GG. Hi D, what up G? WAP play on GJ. I wouldn't consider this a WAP. No. However, you are breaking the 4-hour lows, which increases the odds of this, or increases the chances of this 4 count driving down here towards the next support here at 152, 424. But let's see. I would prefer a closure below on a 30 or 15, and you didn't get that here, so there's no positions here for me as well. Price can still drop down though, like it did close bearish though, but it's just that for me to be comfortable in a position, I need a closure here. Because looking left here, price has done this many times here, where it came down here, rejected support. One thing it has done yet though was actually close below, and that's what we need here. Right, like this. How long do you think XUSD might continue buying at? Oh yeah, I forgot. People were still trying to sell today because, you know, they're trying to catch a retracement. Chat. Here's the answer, Frank. My job isn't to predict when the price will reverse. My job is to just follow the day trend. So day trend right now is bullish. I'm bullish. I've been bullish the past 5 days. Never one time I said I was bearish the past 5 days. 6 days actually. Never once. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Why? Because we've been closing bullish. It's like wait for price to actually close bearish on the higher time frames, and then start taking sells when price starts to reject to continue down. When price starts to show you bearish momentum, then you take sells. But why would you want to make it more complicated for yourself and try to predict when price will reverse? Right? Look at my post last night. Oh, what happened to my IG? Here. I'm like, what happened? Where's my IG? Oh well, it's gone now, but like it was in the archive somewhere.
That's a fat retracement on a 30-minute candle on gold.
Yep. And guess what? I was gonna say a minute ago too. The 1 hour still has no bottom wick. It can still flip bearish here. So if those are having FOMO, don't worry, because the 1 hour could still give a bottom wick and close above the range here for price to go up in about 27 minutes here. Right? 30 minute close above, yes. 15 close above, but the 1 hour still hasn't closed yet. It can still reject. Right, chat? And the good thing with the 1 hour closure here, chat, is look, if the 1 hour were to close exactly where it is, the 4 candle will close bullish, creating support for an onion play in the 4 hour time frame. So where do you think price will go next on the 4 hour candle? High chance the next 4 hour candle will drive up towards 1864 here, like this, if it closes bullish at support here. Because look, you had a price on the bullish trend,
yeah,
and then you had a resistance getting tapped there, being created here, right around here. Then you have support being created. This is a range, resistance, support. You get a bullish channel closure at support to retest the highs here at 1864 to go up. So I have a lot of potential here, chat. Facts. Obama could be created here, chat. Never sell for less.
Never sell for less.
Took us all in GG, done. Nice. Nice. Done. I've been on stream every day since June, and the growth has been unreal. For anyone just starting, if you want to speed up the process, just show up to the streams every day. Thank you, brother. Always, man. Always, John. Got you. Yeah, close your MT5, man. Yeah, show up to streams every day. You heard it. June. How long has it been? June. July, August, September, October. 4 months, 4.5. Not bad. Is it cool? I need to take more lessons here. Thanks, bro. No worries. In general, would you have any considerations on entering on the last 15 of the hourly candle? Yeah. I usually don't enter on the last 15 of the hourly candle. Like sometimes it's an exception, but in this case, since it's an hourly candle closure and also a 4-hour candle closure, I would probably stay out and wait for the first 15 minute of the 4-hour candle closure to close to determine that bottom wick being created, and then take positions. So 9:15, 9:30 is your positions there. Time to take positions probably. Only if you close above certain areas, right? But yeah. That's what I'm saying. If it wasn't 8:30, we're probably gonna have to wait till 9:15, 9:30ish. I really thought we'll get a position beforehand today. I really thought so. It's alright though.
You guys see how patient Don is? Like that's like the number one thing I learned from him, man. Just like insanely patient.
Patience pays off. Patience is what makes me a winner. Oh. Gotta just adjust, you know. Yeah, patience too.
Yeah, I'm trying to work on it. It's getting better.
Yeah, man. Don't worry. You got there.
Yeah, we're working on it. All I know, bro, is at the end of the day, I'm gonna show up to put in the work, you know?
Exactly. Show up, do your thing, learn, live, repeat.
Yeah, like even if I lost my funded account, you guys would just see me right back on here. Just again, back to normal. Well, I'm not trying to lose it though.
Shit, they got a picture of that.
Yo, Don, does your brother do like handstands and stuff?
Pardon?
Did your brother do handstands and stuff? Because you said he did rings.
I don't know. I haven't asked him honestly. Maybe yeah. I don't think he can. I've never seen it, but I never see him that much in this.
Fair enough. Yeah. No. Me too.
Sometimes I forget like how much like our stream impacts people, or like how much I impact people. Like just like even the normal shit, like just me sitting here and simply talking to you guys through like what I'm waiting for, and just not like flinching, like, you know, showing discipline. It helps, because I got a message over the weekend. Someone's like, yo, like I don't know about you, but even you sitting here doing nothing, just waiting for candle, like I learned so much from that. I just learned so much to be disciplined and how important it is to follow your plan. Like you come this morning, you make your analysis and you wait for that, and that's all you wait for. And if you don't get it, don't get it. You move on to the next day. And for some people, they struggle with that. People struggle with staying through a whole session without taking positions, or feeling the urge to take a position, because they're sitting in front of a screen that could potentially make them money, right? So it gets a bit tiring, crazy.
I've heard people say like, yo, Don doesn't take enough trades. But then like, what's the point of taking more trades when then you lose money, right? Like I've been taking Don's like with Don and like without Don, and like I don't know, bro. Like so many losing trades is they're like no trade is better than a losing trade. So I'm trying to get to.
Also, it's just like it's not that I take no trades. It's just I sell down for my best quality trades. I'm never gonna sell down for less, especially for a stream. No, man, I want to trade for the stream. People gotta remember that. I want to trade for viewers, chat. I want to trade for likes, you know, for subs. I trade for myself. I just stream it for free, and you can take it for whatever it is. So like, there's something I owe you guys. Something you guys owe me. It's just more so just if you like it. If you don't, move on, right? And I happen to help a lot of people out, and I'm happy to be in this position. Clap it up.
Standing ovation.
Imagine.
Stop the cap.
But after the whole speech, stop the cap. Alright, chat, look at this. Patience. If we come down, doesn't that feel rewarding when you stay out of a position due to one specific reason, and price goes down and does exactly why you stayed out? You're like, wow, it's about to pay off. So if we can break the 30-minute lows on stream here, Give us that bottom wick, and then the 1 hour candle flips bullish to close above the range. 4 hour closure at 9:15. Your particular position, you win it. It taps 1860. There's your day, right? And,
Yes, sir.
And that all started from this morning at 6:30 when we did that analysis, or 6:50. That's it. But I need the bottom wick though, chat. Like for real. we need the bottom wick for positions. We need the bottom wick on a 1 hour candle. 5 minutes. What are you gonna do? 5 minutes on flip bearish. Give us the bottom wick. I believe.
Do you believe in love? I agree, Amy. That's how you pronounce your name, I think.
Oh, can we flip your chat? Very close to getting that bottom wick. Very close. 30-minute broke the lows or 15-minute broke the lows. Interesting. 15-minute started play going down the other way.
We're right at the previous resistance we have to break.
Yep.
We just literally just tapped it.
Yes, sir. And chat, even if you can't catch this range here, you have more ranges above 1864, man. Above 1864? Let's see. Where's your next clean traffic above 1864? I believe it's like further up at 1870 or something. 1864. Above this range here, you have clean traffic until I mean, you're looking at 1868. But still, you have more ranges above these areas here. So, no stress. No reason to stress at all.
No stress.
Look me in the eyes, Junior. Man, that patient shit, damn, it's like I'm always finger excited to press something. Yeah, man, don't worry. It's cause like, yo, you're sitting in front of charts, numbers, and like you're sitting in front of your equity, and you're like, this equity can multiply right now.
Yeah.
It can literally multiply if I click one button. It's that easy, right? That's where it fucks you up though, cause like yes, it's easy, it's quick, it's you know, but yeah, remember, man. Just be grateful that you're in a situation where you're able to trade.
Literally, that was so well said, bro. Like,
and you're not like, you don't gotta like, or you gotta work obviously, but like, let's say like, you need to click one button to make money. Yeah, so just be patient for a couple hours, couple minutes, couple 30-minute candles for it, instead of just working on full shift to make whatever you want to make. You know, what do I want to do? Wait patiently for, you know, hour and a half, 2 hours during a session, or work 8 hours to make whatever you would make, you know, 30 minutes if you were to take that trade. And another day that you practice bad disciplines is another day you're at your job. Since I can go their way, yeah, of course I can go their way. Yeah, I can go their way. Morning, Don, what's up, man? What up, Christmas? Anyone Christmas? For real, yo, I can't wait for Christmas, chat. I can't wait for Christmas, chat. Christmas is my favorite holiday.
For the first time in my life, I'm going on a vacation with my friends.
Oh, for real? Where are you going?
I'm going to Punta Cana,
Oh, shit.
December 19th to 26th.
Damn, you come back from Boxing Day?
Yeah.
Or my bad, Black Friday. Oh no, when's Black Friday? Well, yo, when's Thanksgiving, chat, for the Americanos?
Americanos.
25th? Why is it on Thursday? Damn, chat. Hey, it's almost time for you guys to celebrate Thanksgiving and then Christmas for you Americans. I love Christmas, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put a Christmas tree up during like November or October. Yo, what's the number one movie you watched during Christmas?
Home Alone, bro. Come on.
Oh, for real. Alright, we on the same page. Home Alone. Home Alone, hands down. Hands down. So nostalgic. It's just, I love it. Whoa. Last Thursday of the month always. I mean, I'm Canadian, you know, so I already have a Thanksgiving. But no one talks about Canadian Thanksgiving. No one talks about anything in Canada, bro. It's so fucking. It's like everything's America, based off America, US. Whatever. It is what it is. I'm grateful to be in Canada. Rather be in Canada than America.
Oh, that's debatable.
Really? Health benefits.
I don't know. I feel like growing up in Canada is a lot better. Well, I haven't grown up like anywhere in the States, but like my place, like where I'm from, the community was so good. You know, there was a lot of fucked up shit happening. It was so relaxed. But,
Wait,
like,
you talking about Canada?
Yeah, Canada. Like it's pretty chill around us, no?
Yeah.
Like, it's just, like there's not like crazy stuff going on too much.
Yeah, well, you know Toronto's the safest city in the world.
Good family place.
Toronto's second ranked safest city in the world.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. But like, again, bro, the tax is just something else here, man.
I mean, hey, man, free healthcare. I mean,
yeah. Fair enough.
Yeah, pay it off, right?
Or some random European country would be nice too.
You know, I think it was like Germany or not Germany, somewhere in Europe, I think. And they're making a commercial about like feeding kids in the US or people in the US how there's people in the US were like I forgot who was making it. That's what I'm talking about. I think chat knows what I'm talking about. They made a commercial for the US. They're like, oh, US 30% of people in the US can't afford food or whatever. It's crazy. It was crazy. I don't know where it was. I was like, wow.
Yo, apparently already we make enough food to like solve world hunger. Like we have enough like food to feed everyone, but like we just kind of can't get it to everyone. Yeah, and we waste a lot of food too, right? Like, well, like if you're from North America or like these first world countries, you don't understand how much of an advantage you have like, globally. I was researching it yesterday, right? I'm like, what does it take to be the top 10% of the world? Guess. How much money do you need to be top 10% global?
Like to live off in a year, like in terms of what?
No, net worth. What net worth is your top 10% globally?
Probably like 20K.
Oh no, it's more than that.
40K, 50K, 100.
No, it was like 90K. It was like 100K. So 100K, but that was in 2018. It was like 94K or something. 94K net worth, and you're top 10% of the world. That's crazy. So like most people who are just born into North America are just born into the top 10%, like automatic. Like most people.
Damn.
Such an advantage. Like you guys really gotta count your blessings.
I'm halfway across the world with dozens of bags, feeling like all 4 members are calling me bad. And one nigga, amazing shit. I got that Courtney love for you, that crazy.
Canada seems sweet. Hey, I'm trying to skid on the pond every day.
And I got them wedding ring flows, that engaging shit. Which one of y'all got fleets on your keychains and seats for these heat games? I really
Most of my knowledge from Canada comes from South Park. Toronto Rock.
Having lunch and debating Ferrari prices. 23 and going through a midlife crisis, but trust me, I still deliver.
Mr. JX2, no, you didn't miss anything. We're waiting for the 4-hour close.
It take a certain type of man to teach, to be far from hood but to understand the streets. I never threw away that paper with my Grammy speech.
Toronto has the hottest chicks. Yo, I feel like Russia has the hottest chicks.
You gotta own it if you want it. Kisses on the body, she tells me live in the moment.
Like Switzerland or some shit. Yeah, but Toronto's not bad at all. I can't complain about that.
Toronto ain't bad at all, man.
Yeah.
I spent neck. How's the song go?
Yo, like, look how ugly my phone is now.
Oh yeah, you put it black and white so you don't go on it, right?
Yeah, and I also put the screen time widget. 11 minutes today, bro. We're on at 11 minutes.
Damn, there's a screen time widget?
Yeah, it helps, bro.
What's the screen time widget? Hold on, let me add that.
Okay, well, click edit home screen, top left, and I just search screen
Oh,
time.
dope. Cool.
But if you have like your low power mode on, it won't like update every time. So,
Oh, I do have that on. Oh, 4 hours already? Goddamn.
Yeah, that's crazy. Well, I mean, your MT4 is just open, right? On your phone.
Oh no. Instagram, an hour and 22 minutes.
Oh man. Oh,
Safari,
man,
27 minutes. Jeez, chat. Hey, chat. I don't go on Instagram that much, man. I swear this is a lie. This app is just, it's a lie. It's a fucking lie, man. It's not true. It's a lie.
You're supposed to be hosting, bro. This guy's just on Instagram the entire time.
Stop the cap.
Hey, it's not true, bro. This gotta be on Instagram all the time. No trade today. GG like my bipolar X. God damn, bro. That's harsh.
Damn.
What platform do you use to invest in shares such as Tesla? Well, my friend, I'm not in Tesla, so I don't have any shares in Tesla.
Don, do you have any stocks?
I don't have any stocks now.
Me too. Like you can make a higher percentage trading, right?
I don't know if that's true. I mean, and you can make a higher percentage in anything. Who knows? It comes down to.
No, but like, consistently, bro. Like if you're a trader, like it'd be very rare for you to catch like 30% or like 20% on a stock in a month. Like you'd have to be like
Unless,
it'd be big.
yeah, because it depends on the stocks, right? You don't have a lot of options too. Yeah. Did you know FX is bigger than stocks?
Oh, way bigger, way bigger.
Way bigger market, and people don't know that. Crazy.
Yo, congrats, Yashwan. Congrats, man. Just make sure you keep your psychology, because when I got my account, I just started like breaking under pressure. Yeah, options trading. I'd say options trading is like trading Forex. But I've actually never seen like anyone make the percentage gains that like successful day traders make. Like straight percentage gains, other than like those crypto crazy, those crazy crypto kids. That's crazy too.
Congrats, Yash. Past 100K my Forex funds, waiting for a live account. Let's get it, bro. Congrats.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Congrats.
What? Oh shit. Don, can you Google Forex for stocks and then go to images real quick?
Pardon?
Forex for stocks and then go to images. And it should be
Forex for stocks.
No, Forex versus stocks.
Oh.
Just to give someone. And then go images.
Stockhouse.
So yeah, that one. Average daily trade.
You're exactly like me, man. I'm a visual learner. I gotta look at the images.
Yeah, click on the average, the one on the right, the one you just clicked. Yeah.
god. This?
Yeah, so that's just to put into
Man,
perspective.
this word right here, 5 trillion, triggers me because every IML recruiter says this fucking word. Forex market is a 5 trillion market. So you tell me you can't make at least a, you know, oh my god, bro. Oh yeah, no, it's just 5 trillion because the whole world is using it. The whole world is using currencies to trade every day. So triggering, but yeah, this is that's pretty insane.
And the thing is, like crazy billionaires can move a stock themselves, you know? Like, but like only governments and banks can really move the forex market like that. If I had like $5 billion, I could probably do a lot of damage to a stock. Like swing it up and down how I please.
Yo, forex trader, I want to see a graph for forex traders. How much have grown over the years? How did I check that? Do you guys know? What did I search up for that?
Oh, go Google Trend. Actually, no, you don't know how many traders have grown, but you can go Google Trends to see how much popular it's getting.
Google Trend, and what did I search up?
Just search Google Trends.
Forex?
Yeah, and it just tells you how popular some. And then you could like base it based off like geographic location too. You search Forex. And then you'll see it says past 12 months. You should do it on stream. I'm pretty sure everyone's going to see.
I will. He's gonna make sure I do everything correct. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's been dying off this monthly quarter. Yeah, and usually dies off near the end, but.
Oh, see, that's just 12 months, and that's just Canada. You can go states, and then you could change it to. You see the top bars right there? Yeah.
May shit.
Forex be popping in Botswana, bro. Oh shit, peaked.
I mean, it peaked in 28. It says an 8, so this is not even a peak. This is kind of like consolidating. All stocks.
This basically it's a pretty good measure of like trends. Like marketers use this.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's just like how many people are Googling this. It doesn't show you how many people are trading, you know?
But like it's kind of the same too. Cause people search up Forex.
Yeah. It's very accurate. It's very accurate. Yeah.
Well, I mean,
like options. Stocks seem to be getting more popular, especially with the virus stuff going on. Like change the 2004 to present. No. Try like last 12 months.
last hour. ADM. But I put 12 months.
Yeah, try controller FX for like 12 months. Then. Try controller FX. See if it falls off.
Nah, man, we ain't big enough.
We ain't popping.
we ain't big enough yet. It's okay though. That's pretty cool. My Forex fund.
Don and Reza, what do you guys suggest to risk for trading a funded account? That's a personal decision, man. I like to risk 1%.
I risk around 1% per trade, yeah. Or 0% per trade. That's me though. You do whatever you want to do. There's no right or wrong answer to that. Don't get discouraged by whatever I do. Whatever you know. Everyone's different.
Yeah, honestly, like I might move mine to 0.5 as well.
Yeah, I'll
Like,
move mine to 50%.
Lose. Yeah, I only have 10% to lose, you know?
I'm gonna risk 50% per trade starting next week. I'm playing, chat. I'm playing.
Yo, chat, can we get the likes to 90? It's at 88. Just like 90.
Only one Christmas. What broker do you use on? I use Trader's Domain. Do extra point broker in a chat, and I use my broker link to my broker. Shout out Ted. Relocate. Chad, you guys have DMs like in a day, man.
Okay, yo. At this point, 100 and stop it at 100. Even numbers. Yo, I was so happy that day we stopped it at like it was like 115, like
175.
175. Oh, that was so satisfying. Come on, 4 more. 96 going once. Watch, it's gonna go to like 103 all of a sudden. Here, just 100 and just show. Oh, 9 a.m. We got the 4-hour closure.
Oh yes. So let me do a breakdown before I dip out for chat. Hey Wix, by the way, welcome home.
What up? What up?
Yeah, man. Yo, it was so frustrating today. We had no Bonnewick the whole fucking day, man. The whole day, no Bonnewick. It's okay though. We had a good week, decent week. All right, real quick chat. 4-hour candle, close bullish here at support here. So I would say that as long as the next 4 candle respects this low at 1840, whatever, 46 here, I think the previous 4 low. The next 4 candle should drive up like this to fill the next range at 1864. So that is my target for the next 4 candle, or even like 1860 minimum is the next target. Or sorry, 1860, 1859 ish minimum, my next target towards that resistance there. So if I'm looking for buys today on gold, I probably want to wait to see if we can get an onion play here in this case here. So maybe like wait for a 30-minute candle closure of support here. Once you get a 30-minute candle closure of support like this, bullish closure, you can look for buys going back up to retest the high. This is called the onion play. If you don't know what that is, do exclamation point onion in the chat, and there will be a list of what the onion is in the video. Other than that, that's gold. And then GJ for the most part, 4 candle closed bearish here. The day candle shows that we're bearish. I mean, this 4 candle has a really high chance to drive down to retest the lows here, chat. So I would expect this 4 candle to drive down to fill those wicks there to the left, and also come down towards 152 0.500 ish. So that is my next target here for GJ for the 4 candle. If I'm looking for sells though, I probably want to wait for price to close below 152.582 here. If you get a closure below here, you have a high chance of price to drive down towards next support. That next support is going to be around 1.5 to 424 for about a 15 pip range. If you don't like that, then you wait for a closure below 152 424 instead, and that's going to be a much nicer and bigger range that's worth around 30 pips. So yeah, that's my last
Held it yesterday.
update. Pardon? It held it yesterday? Yeah, GJ has been ugly.
Yesterday, I remember I said 152.800. I wrote you on Discord.
During Asian?
Like, 152.800. Yeah, like watch London for 152.800.
And never did. Wait, you said buys or sells?
Sells. I'm gonna look. I remember I said onion.
Oh, 4-hour onion resistance. Yeah.
I don't know if you saw my message, but
I saw it this morning.
It hit 152.800. There's just no entry there.
Wait, so you're looking for sells,
exactly
right?
Where it reversed to 152.800. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I think this 4 candle is it.
London Sensei. Yeah.
Yeah. The IG post separating the sessions was on point. Yeah, you said that. Watch it on my page.
Yeah.
That's right here, right? Yeah, because like people understood, like, people were asking me yesterday, like, yo,
right here, yeah.
It was a bank holiday down, like, why was price still moving? Well, it moved because only the NY session was closed. Asian, London, New York open, range, the whole entire session, right? And that was a session that was impacted by news or impacted by bank holiday. That's how it usually works. Doesn't mean the whole day is chalked. It's not like it's a bank holiday for a London or for pound or like, you know, Asian session pairs, London session pairs. But chat, I think we had a very, very good and valuable stream today for the most part today. Again, I got a dip.
Gold buys are coming.
Those gold buys are coming. Wait for an onion play. If you guys want to trade, you guys can to Friday though. I might look for something a bit later. Who knows? I might pop in Discord or something. But I'm always setting an alarm for this 9:30 candle or 9:15 candle, and then see what we got going on. Alright, chat. But there's a potential. There's
on Discord.
Yeah, there's a lot of potential for buys here. 4 candle, wick fill, and 1860 target is your target, chat. 864ish. Alright. Alright, now, man. Thanks, chat, today for a nice stream. I'll catch you guys Monday morning. Have a great weekend. Don't return over leverage.
Yes.
And
Yo, Wix, are you chopping on disc?
Yeah, I'll probably hop on for a little bit if you want
like
to.
30 minutes, man.
We're gonna get right back up. You guys
15-20 minutes, I'll be on.
Peace out, yo.
Yo, record this shit, bro.
I'll peace out, peace and love chat. Closing it down.
Oh my god.
You record that? This is smash. Come on.
He said this is smash. I said this is pass. Oh, all gas, real fast. I ain't sending the tabs. I ain't spinning the tab. Better get in the cat. Take a LSD. I'm sipping the tab. Tell her I'm sexy. She feeling my ass. Feeling the swag. She hitting the. I'm hitting the bag and I be I'm hitting the bag and I be chilling now. Feelings now. Rest in me for gold.
Bruh. Come on. Hey, can we pull this up?
Rest in me some gold.
Shit sounds like a smash.
Smell like dropping off that sign.
Over the dab, now I'm over the dab. She get on my nerves, so I'm calling it fast. Calling it kiss, calling it ass. Calling it ass, no loose boy that. Spoil the ass.
White one.
Annoying and trash, I don't really. Rest of me for expecting me to go.
Light is in the air, man. That shit.
This is crazy.
Rest of me for expecting me to go.
This shit's hard, bro.
I'm not in the gate. I can just walk to the front door. You parked? You driving?
Alright, I don't care if they talking, I'ma just lay that vibe down. It's